Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So today we're going to continue our CNC series. So this guitar is almost finished. I still need to work on the neck. I have all the parts available. The only thing that's left to manufacture is the control plate. And this is the end result of the control plate. So let's roll the intro and we'll see how it's done. Okay, regarding this plate, I was looking for some options, whether what exactly I wanted to do. What I know is that I really wanted something unique. I was highly considering from brass, but when I was searching in my scrap bin, I found a nice piece of flamed maple. So I decided to use a piece of figured maple, stain it the way that the guitar is, and then adding some pattern to it. So what I did, again, I did the stain on this piece of maple, same procedure, first couple of coats of black, let it dry, sand it back, and then putting the blue on top. And after that, I put the piece of wood through the CNC. Now let's have a look at the toolpaths regarding this plate. Okay guys, this is the model of the control plate. You can see the pattern that I choose to engrave in the wood. And the first cut will be the holes for the control pots. I'm using a 6mm router cutter. And after that, with the same bit, I can finish the contour cut. After that, I can switch to a 1/8 spot drill, and I can drill the holes for the screws and the mounting screws of the switch. And then, with a 1.5mm cutter, I can do the slot for the switch lever. and then finishing up with a 0.5 of a millimeter cutter the pattern of the plate. This is just 0.5 millimeter deep. It's just an engraving, but I believe it will leave a nice effect. That was the last piece to be CNC'd on this guitar. Now, next up, I will be finishing the neck and then installing the frets and start with the finish of the neck and then put everything together. Until then, thanks guys for watching and thank you for all your support. Hit like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know whenever I release a video, and I hope you liked it, enjoyed it and learned something from it. So until the next time, take care and bye bye.